What's up, family? It's Coach Massey, and you're locked into the Daily Hodl for August 15th, 2025. Today's Bitcoin news is a perfect reminder. In this market, the moves that shake you are often the same moves that set up the biggest opportunities. We've got some powerful headlines, some game-changing developments, and yes, a couple of hidden gems in today's price action that you do not want to miss. Let's start with the major announcement from the World Economic Forum. They've just appointed BlackRock CEO Larry Fink and Roche Vice Chair André Hoffmann as interim chairs of its board. Now, regardless of your opinion on big organizations, here's what matters for us Bitcoiners. BlackRock runs the world's largest asset manager and already has billions in exposure to Bitcoin through ETFs. When the head of that company gets even closer to global financial conversations, the probability of Bitcoin staying in those conversations skyrockets. Think about it. This is the same BlackRock that's been at the forefront of institutional adoption. They're not just dabbling, they're building infrastructure for the next wave of investors. And now, with leadership ties into the WEF, those conversations about Bitcoin become less if and more how soon. This isn't hype, this is positioning. The chess pieces are moving for Larry Fink and BlackRock. Now let's talk about price action. Today, Bitcoin saw some downward pressure and it had a lot of people panicking. But if you've been around this game long enough, you know the short-term dips are often engineered to grab over-leveraged positions. So what likely happened? Some negative headlines floated, traders overreacted, and those with too much leverage got wiped out. This creates a temporary drop, but it also sets the stage for stronger hands to scoop up Bitcoin at a discount. Here's the positive. On-chain metrics still show strong accumulation by long-term holders. Institutional inflows into Bitcoin ETFs continue steadily, even on red days like today. Hash rate remains near all-time highs, which is a huge sign of miner confidence. Translation, the foundation is still rock solid for Bitcoin. Here's the principle that I want you to remember. Price makes narrative, not the other way around. When Bitcoin pumps, suddenly every headline is bullish. When it dumps, suddenly experts find a reason to be bearish. But the truth is, the underlying fundamentals don't change with every candle. If you focus on why you own Bitcoin instead of what it's doing every 5 minutes, you'll sleep better. I know I am. Think clearer. I know I am. And probably make way more money in the long run. I know I am. If you strip away the noise, here's the reality. Bitcoin's network is stronger than ever. Adoption is climbing, and the players getting involved now are not tourists. They're builders. They're investors and institutions that play long games. We're in the early innings. I still keep telling you, just like the internet. But this time, it's of the biggest monetary shift of our lifetime. And the only real question is, are you stacking or are you watching from the sidelines? Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think today's dip was just a shakeout before the next leg up? Or do you see more downside ahead? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you've got any value from today's breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, Lead.Pray.Hodl, and share this with someone who loves Bitcoin news just as much as you. That's your daily hodl for August 15th, 2025. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and as always, Lead.Pray.Hodl. I'll see you next time.